We go now. Alright, I'm Lawrence, and this is my home alarm.
It's your dummy.
So basically, I use the breadboard, Raspberry Pi, male to male wires, and LED lights with resistors and an ultrasonic sensor, and a buzzer too. And a button. So the objective of this is to measure distance, and however close an object is, at some point it's gonna ring. It's gonna buzz at the closest distance. So here's my code. Basically up here, I set it up to which LED is configured, and down here I basically set like the distance, and I had a formula to stimulate distance from whatever object is close. And then if I scroll down, basically I assigned every LED a certain distance, so if it's like closer than 10 centimeters or further away, at some point when it's closest, it's gonna go off the buzzer. So I'll list it right now. So from right here, it's just yellow, and when it reaches closer, it's gonna buzz off red. Yeah, that's my buzzer.
Any questions?
I have a question. So what's the next step after this project?
After this project,
Yeah. What can you do to enhance that project?
well, maybe like we could have a better sensor, so it could detect distances from very far away. Possibly have a better alarm sound and a better way to turn it off instead of hitting a button. Configure it to a certain point, like maybe a timer when it goes off. Any other questions?
All right, good job.